man overboard on the starboard side, sir.
Okay, one overboard on the starboard side. Please, Mr. Oscar Flatman, proceed on match keeping.
Copy, sir.
Second, mark the position and raise the alarm.
Copy, sir.
Be prepared for Williams on the third. Sir.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. We have a man overboard. We have a man overboard. Please proceed to master station.
Okay, second, proceed to the master station now. Meeting will now perform the Williams on third.
Copy, sir.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard. Rudder on hard starboard now, sir. Our heading is 060 degrees.
Okay, copy that. Hardboard.
Hardboard. Rudder is on hardboard now, sir. And we are in reciprocal course, which is 180 degrees.
Okay, copy that. Midship.
Amidship. Amidship now, sir.
82, please report.
The target has been sighted on the port side, sir.
Okay, copy that. Proceed to the master station now. Okay, everyone. Slow ahead.
Go ahead. Engine is slowing.
Second mate, please report.
Captain, all hands. It's now in master station.
Okay, copy that. Proceed on lowering the rescue boat and proceed on rescuing the person.
Now lowering the rescue boat.
If you
We
want,
will now proceed
stop
to
engine.
Stop engine.
The victim is now recovered and now on deck, sir.
Okay, proceed to the bridge now. Okay, second mate, immediately check his vitals.
Negative breathing, negative pulse, sir.
Perform the CPR now.
Now performance CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. Sir, the victim is now conscious and responding normally.
Okay, thank you for your cooperation.